Hey guys, welcome to another holiday cocktail video, and today we're making something that is light and refreshing, but has flavors that I love. This is a Smoky Christmas. Now the idea here was to create something that is refreshing, easy to drink, not too stiff, and it's got flavors that I love, and for me, that's smoke.
Rob's like a big smoky drink guy. Guys, I think he's got a little bit of a problem, but you know, whatever, teach his own.
I love that clip. So we're going to be using Islay Mist. It's a blended Scotch, but it's a blended Islay, so it really has that nice smoky flavor. You really want a smoky Scotch here. You could use Lafroig or another Islay single malt. I wouldn't recommend using something too expensive for this. I mean, this is really just a highball. If you're going to use an expensive Scotch, maybe use like 1.5 ounces of a regular blended Scotch and then add half an ounce of your Islay. Figure it out, but you want a smoky Scotch. This is the most important part. So 2 ounces of our Islay Scotch. Next up, we're gonna do half an ounce of our raspberry syrup. You saw my last Christmas martini video. This is the same raspberry syrup. It's not overly sweet, but it's got a really good raspberry flavor. It's homemade. It's really just simple syrup and raspberries, but not too heavy on the sugar. After that, we're going to do another half an ounce of lime juice. This is just going to balance out the flavors, give it a little bit of sour notes. And that's it for the base of the drink. So, like I said, it's not a complicated drink. It's quite simple. So we're going to add some ice to our shaker. We're going to grab our tin, do a flippy move, and we're going to give this a pretty quick shake. 10-15 seconds, that's all it needs. Screwed up my angle here, so you're seeing nothing really. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that button, hit that bell. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come on. All right, we're serving this in a highball. So let's move our tin away. Grab our Hawthorne. So yes, highball filled with ice cubes. It's been chilling in the freezer. So we're gonna go ahead and strain that. We don't need to double strain. Strain that into our glass. Look at that beautiful red color. The raspberries, it adds a nice flavor, but it also just adds this beautiful Christmas color. That's what we love. And here's the key ingredient here, Smoky Ginger Ale. We're using Fever Tree Smoky. Look at that, Smoky Ginger Ale. Have I said it enough? This stuff's amazing. Now, if you can't find that, just regular ginger ale will work fine. But if you can find a smoky ginger ale, this stuff is incredible, and it's going to add just another layer of smoke to our drink. So if you've never had this one, it's kind of like a piney smoke flavor. I'm not sure what they're using to get that smoke flavor, but it's really good. Not strong like a ginger beer. It's a ginger ale, but it has that nice layer of smoke to it. We're gonna add a straw to our drink, and then for garnish, we're going to add some rosemary sprigs. That just gives it that Christmas look. Of course, some raspberries. Just gonna lay those on top of the drink. There you go. And for our final smoke layer, we're going to torch our rosemary ever so slightly until we get a little bit of burnt char and some smoke flying off of there. And this is just gonna give you that nice smoky aroma. Every time you go in for a sip, you're gonna get look at those whiffs of smoke. Isn't that awesome? You're gonna get this kind of piney, smoky Christmas campfire is what it is. Yeah, think Christmas campfire when you're drinking this. It's awesome. So there it is, guys. There is the Smoky Christmas. It is just a refreshing highball, basically. Whiskey highball. You got whiskey. You've got some syrup in there, a little bit of lime, and smoke. And we love that smoke. All right, well, that's it, guys. Stay tuned. We got another holiday drink coming tomorrow. We got 3 more next week leading to Christmas. And after that, we have some New Year's videos. We'll see you then. Cheers.